Hi, I'm Jeff with the Jeff York team.
I'm Clay with Murphy Homes.
And we are back with more on Mondays. Today we are going to talk about framing. So Clay, tell us what framing is, how it goes in, just whatever you've got to talk about.
Okay. Framing is going to be the construction of the structure of your house. Typically done in this part of the world, 2x4s. If Jeff's going to overlay some video of how we do our
right now
roofing, yes.
Magic.
It is. I can't do it. There's going to be a difference in stick built and truss built. We use stick built, which means we use dimensional lumbers, 2x6, 2x8, 2x10, 2x12s in order to build the structure of our house. Some other companies use 2x4s braced together, like Wilson's Lumber has a truss plant here. Engineer stamps off on everything. They're both equally great ways of doing things. They both have pros and cons. For us, we prefer the old school kind of little bit harder way of doing it, a little bit more traditional way of doing stick building. But typically you can see behind us, we do everything out of old school lumber, no metal studs or anything like that. And then as part of our process, we'll go through on the next video and kind of show you how we double check and make sure everything is correct.
Okay. I will say a stick built home has a lot more open attic space than a truss built home. That's something to consider as well.
It does. Stick builts typically have a little more load bearing walls on the inside than the truss built. You can direct the load a little bit easier with a truss built. So again, there are pros and cons. We pretty much 100% stick build. There are other builders that will 100% truss build, and again, there's no wrong way of doing it. It's just preference of the builder and the trade. We happen to use a little more traditional framers.
All right, sounds good.